Confirm.
Since 1898, Thomas & Betts has been providing the many required materials needed for the harnessing and routing of electricity. To provide such a service, it's imperative that Thomas & Betts continues to develop and execute changes that will increase value to their supply chain. It's this determination to continue improvements in productivity, flexibility, and employee efficiency and health that led them to the use of the Top Speech Lydia system from topVOX. As a leader in the voice technology market, Top Speech Lydia was chosen for its ease of use, proven results, and easy integration. The picking process at Thomas & Betts has undergone many changes over the years. When the Bromont warehouse first opened in 1995, the first pick method used was paper-based picking, where employees would read off what to pick. Well known for being slow and producing frequent mispicks, Thomas & Betts then made the jump to RF in 1999. While RF improves accuracy over paper picking, some of the same problems can be seen. The cumbersome nature of pick list and RF scanners reduces efficiency and can even cause mispicks. Also, having to constantly scan and read from the RF greatly slows down the picking process. But even worse, the weight and frequent handling of RF equipment was leading to employees having muscle strain in the wrists, shoulders, and elbow. This was one of the main benefits of voice that appealed to Thomas & Betts, the safety associated with voice. By having hands and eyes free, employees are not only saved the physical toll of RF equipment, but can be more attentive to the volatile environment in a warehouse. With Top Speech Lydia, employees only need to carry a PDA with a connected headset. All needed information for the picker is spoken to them by the voice system. The picker needs only to listen and speak to give the system the needed feedback. Just imagine talking directly to the warehouse management system. By having hands and eyes free, pickers are not only more efficient, but much more accurate.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, D, G.
5, 9, okay.
Pick 2, 0, 0, eaches.
2, 0, 0, okay.
Container 0, 0, completed. Location P, 0, 7.
The picking process begins with Lydia giving a location code. The picker goes to this area and confirms it is correct with a check digit. Once the check digit is confirmed, Lydia will provide the needed pick information. The system, of course, allows for the standard warehouse mishaps, such as out-of-stock items, which can then be noted in the electronic system. While underpicks can be accommodated for, overpicking is never accepted.
Ever since I started picking with Lydia about a year ago, the production and quality has increased twofold. It's hundreds of times better than it used to be with the old RF system and the paper production, picking with paper. It's unbelievable what this machine can do to increase the productivity in this plant. Just the fact that I don't have to carry an RF in my hand, I have both hands available to pick my product, to put it into bags, to do whatever. It's much, much, much easier than it was before.
Living in a province of Canada where French and English are both spoken, it was important that both languages could be used with their employees.
1, okay.
0, 3, 6, A.
With the Top Speech Lydia system, employees had the chance to choose which language they were most comfortable working with. By having a separate login and profile for each picker, different languages can be used based on the picker's preference. The login profile will also determine whether a speaker-dependent or speaker-independent system loads.
Okay. 1, 3, B, A.
What separates topVOX is the use of a speaker-independent system and a speaker-dependent system. With a speaker-independent system, almost no employee training is required, nor does the system need to acclimate to the speaker's voice. The new employee would only need to learn what words and phrases are to be used, and they are ready to go.
Invalide 0, 4, 0, B.
Repeat.
S1, 9, 2, 3, 3. S19233AA.
74, okay.
Pick 1 cases.
1, okay.
Container 92.
The benefits of voice are not just to increase productivity and profit for the company, but to help warehouse employees with their everyday tasks in an easy and healthy manner. While many voice systems are on the market, topSpeech was the first choice for Thomas & Betts.
topSpeech Lydia was chosen for several reasons. They provide us with an on-site demo that was able to use our system data. This showed us that there will be no integration issue down the road. Secondly, topSpeech Lydia was customized to our process flow. The integration was done by PickZone, so it gave us and our employee time to adapt, and we didn't have to buy a lot of equipment in one shot. And finally, we chose topSpeech Lydia because it was able to deal with real-time transactions.
Training is easy with the speaker-independent recognition from topSpeech Lydia. There are 10 words or phrases that Lydia understands and numbers 0 through 9. I explain to the user what to say, then he or she can start work. One of the functions that is very useful is the co-pilot. This way, I can listen to what Lydia and the picker are saying to each other using another PDA or PC. This helps in problem solving and training. Here in Bromont, we can see how the use of voice logistic continues to not only help employees, but the company as a whole. Productivity has increased 35%, and we have experienced a decrease in errors from the wrong location. By having hands and eyes free, the pickers are not only more efficient, but more accurate.
With topSpeech Lydia, you can enjoy the benefits of voice, but with a cost-effective solution. While for now voice is solely used for picking, further implementations will be made at Thomas & Betts, allowing it to be used in other warehouse activities. Voice will soon be implemented for replenishment, cycle counting, and for handling deliveries, allowing for all the benefits of voice to be used throughout the entire warehouse.
Have a nice day.
Bonne journée.